So I have this dripping tub faucet. Underneath below, there are no shut-off valves for this tub. So that means I have to turn the main water line on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys how I could get this changed out myself. So I bought the cartridge that needs to be replaced for the hot, because that's the one that's leaking. And then I also have this tool right here that I'm gonna use that's gonna help me. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process. Hopefully this takes only 10 minutes for me to do. I'm gonna get started by turning off the main water line before I take this out. So I just turned off my main water line, and now I could actually take the cartridge out and get it replaced. All right, so I'm just going to drain the water out. I turned off the main water line. So it should only take a couple seconds. And this way, when I take this off, water doesn't shoot up. So next step, I'm going to pop open this to get to my bolt. So then I could unscrew this. Undo this bolt. Okay. Take this off. Now this is just an extension that I have to twist off. Everyone's is gonna be a little bit different. So I'm just gonna take this wrench right here, loosen it up. So now if you look in there, you can see there is actually water, and that shouldn't be the case. This is the cartridge that's failing. So I'm gonna go to the next step. I'm actually going to put the screw in and pull it out, and I'll show you that in a second. I'm gonna put it into the cartridge, and now I'm gonna get it pulled up. So let's see what happens. All right, so I actually just pulled it out, but I'll show you what I did. So I screwed this in, I grabbed this with some pliers, and I tried not to bend it because I want to reuse this screw later, and I was able to pull this cartridge out, and this is the piece that I want to replace. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to place this piece in here. This is the new one, and I'm going to make sure I get it down there. Now for this, I will use this tool to kind of push it in there, and I try to make it aligned with what the direction of where the pipe is. So I am going to move forward and just kind of do the finishing touches here of putting everything else back together and see what happens. So my wife is downstairs. She is turning it on right now. So let's see what happens when she turns it on. That's perfect. This one turns on.